The purpose of this video is to show you how you can make instant TeDivina detox tea. So I have my hot water already. Say you're traveling and you need to take your detox with you. So you just open up your pack of tea like so. You pour your hot water in your cup. Get your tea bag out and you just dip. See? That amber goodness is coming off the tea bag. You can set it in there for a moment. You could roll it around inside. And there you have a serving of your detox tea in there. As dark as you want it. And just let it go around and get dark in there. And for keeping of the bag, you could put it back in the tea bag that it came in, the bag that it came in. If you know beforehand you're going to be traveling and you'll need to do this, make sure you either get something to staple it down with or bring your Ziploc on. I made a little mess, but that's how you can do your instant TeDivina detox tea so you can stay on track.